What they discovered changed the way experts viewed the entire site. The most disturbing finding wasn't the mercury, though levels were higher than anyone expected. It was the chromium. Again and again, the weapons from the pits were found to be unusually rust-resistant. Researchers confirmed that a thin layer of chromium oxide had formed on many of the bronze surfaces. At first glance, it looked like the Qin dynasty had discovered a method of chrome plating nearly 2,000 years before the process was invented in the West. But deeper analysis revealed something different. The chromium didn't come from the weapons themselves. It came from contamination in the environment. The soil around the warriors had interacted with underground water and other chemicals over centuries to create this accidental preservation. Which raised a bigger question. How did so many weapons in such a tightly packed area receive the exact same environmental treatment? It looked almost intentional. Further tests exposed something else. Buried deep beneath several of the figures were sealed ceramic canisters, never documented, never disturbed until now. One of them, located under the foot of a broken archer, contained residue of what scientists believe to be an early form of arsenic trioxide mixed with cinnabar, a mercury-based mineral. These aren't burial offerings. These are chemical compounds. The theory started forming. The Terracotta Army wasn't just a ceremonial display. It was a mass-scale chemical deterrent system. The weapons weren't just there to protect the emperor in the afterlife. The soil, the layout, the toxins, they were designed to preserve, protect, and most of all, repel. There was one internal report, leaked but never publicly confirmed, that proposed an unsettling possibility. The Terracotta Army may have been an early form of chemical trap, rigged by engineers of the Qin dynasty to make sure the emperor's resting place was never disturbed. Not by robbers, not by enemies, not even by future dynasties. Over time, the poison seeped into the soil, and the preservation of the warriors was just a byproduct of the death zone they were buried in. In a way, it worked. But there was one more piece of the puzzle that pushed this theory toward certainty.